Welcome back to another tutorial with me, Professor Esther Dillard, where I teach technology with a commitment to keep it simple. This episode, we're talking about writing that Works Cited page at the end of your paper or the end of your speech. And I'm going to show you how to correctly format that Works Cited page in MLA style in Google Docs. Coming right up. For those of you who clicked on this tutorial and need to know how you should start your original document before writing up your Works Cited page, please find my tutorial on writing a working outline for a speech or paper in MLA style in Google Docs. This will lead you to this tutorial on how to format your Works Cited page. So let's get started. You should log in to your Google account, select the 9 squares icon, and then select Google Docs. This is going to give you a list of all the documents you created in the past. We're going to select the sample page we created in the last tutorial. Now that you've opened it, you want to start a new page underneath the written document you completed. You can do that by going to Insert, then move your cursor down to the word Page Break. This will create a new page underneath your current page. Make sure that you are still in Times New Roman and 12-point font from the document you created above. Your Works Cited page should be in the same font and same size. Then type Works Cited. Both first letters of the words Works and Cited should be capitalized, but the words should not be bolded or underlined. Then just center the two words. Hit Enter, and then move from Centered to Left Justified. The Modern Language Association Style Book, or MLA Style Book, has just how you should type in references correctly when referencing a book, a website, a journal, magazine, newspaper article, and other type of media. The best reference I suggest is the Perdue Owl Writing Lab site. I put the web link of the site on your screen, and I'll put the description of the site as well on the posting below. They have step-by-step instructions on what to do first, where to put your periods, your commas, your quotation marks, and when and what not to italicize. It could literally take up to 30 minutes to an hour to go through each and every type of reference when it comes to Works Cited. This tutorial is not about doing that. This tutorial is about showing you how to format the information correctly once you type it up. So my suggestion is go to the Perdue Owl Writing Lab first to make sure that your references you have inside your document are correct, and also make sure that you have everything typed up correctly for your Works Cited page where we are right now. I've saved a copy of a few references for this formatting example, and everything is in 12-point in Times New Roman. You can see that. First, make sure that you've selected all of the information that you have put in your Works Cited page. Then select Insert, Spacing option, double space. This will give you double spacing of all your Works Cited. Finally, each reference on the Works Cited page should be left hanging or have a left hanging indent, and I'll show you what that is. Go to Format, then Align and Indent, then Indentation Options. Select Hanging, then be sure that the option to the right of that is 0.05. Then select Apply. Everything will create a left hanging indent for all of your information. Now you have a correctly formatted Works Cited page in MLA style in Google Docs. Well, I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if it was, please subscribe. Press that button down below. That way I know that I'm doing something right. Also, you won't miss any of my new tutorials that I put out. If you have any questions or suggestions about other technology you'd like me to review or look at, please feel free to send me an email, and I'll see you the next time.